Brian with technological innovations and data engagement.
Happy Aloha Friday. We're an interdisciplinary group from also geographic diversity, envisioning CoPe as a mechanism to catalyze productive cross-fertilization by applying new and emergent technological and data tools to coastal problems. The public and our colleagues are hungry for tech solutions to environmental problems. We see interest in community monitoring programs, 3D printing applications, low-cost sensors, DIY maker culture, and CoPe can bring us all together to help in the coastal zone. We recommend a decentralized hub that would integrate researchers, students, community colleges, K-12 schools, philanthropic foundations, local governments, and help to catalyze public participation in STEM. We especially would emphasize bidirectional information flow from and among and between these different groups. Regional activities would take place on a daily, weekly, and monthly timescale, while monthly webinars, annual workshops, and meetings would help to allow for widespread sharing of lessons learned among the different geographic regions, which may have similar topical interests, but probably have different local innovative problem-solving approaches. This coordinated but decentralized structure, in our opinion, is very critical because the diversity is what helps to catalyze innovation. So, blending emerging technology and data innovation with social and geoscience and public participation has potential to spark this inquisition process between and among stakeholders and regions. For example, the National Weather Service maintains about 15,000 research-grade meteorological stations nationwide, but Weather Underground crowdsources from over 250,000 stations globally from meteo-curious members of the public who put an anemometer on their roof because they want to know wind speed at their house. Previously, it's been cost-prohibitive to envision anything like that for coastal science, but now we can begin to leverage emerging technology to develop an analogous spatial data explosion for coastline science. Similarly, drone and phone tech is exploding with advancements, and CoPe can help serve as a conduit to distribute this. Even when federal science budgets are attacked, there's always widespread recognition for the scientific and economic value of Sea Grant. We envision an NSF perspective version of something like Sea Grant. Both online and in-person engagement and communication is crucial to sustain and grow momentum for effectively building these programs. One specific but scalable case study that inspired our group leveraged Sea Grant and NSF basic research for geochemical coastal research with an NSF Workshop Award for public participation in STEM research. We brought together 30 practitioners from 18 different traditional Hawaiian fish pond restoration groups on 4 islands, taught them how to build low-cost tide gauges, and sent them home with a web URL so they had access to hyper-local tide data that wasn't previously available.